that that's a good brain,
Okay.
it's concentration. You gotta match the tile.
Clean the oils off of here
And
first.
I lose. I'm horrible. I think this one game that I downloaded.
Don't touch that foot.
Sometimes I just wake up a few minutes early so I can sip my coffee and play mahjong.
Dry it off.
I need to start training more or start eating less. I'm still eating like an Iron Man.
How many Philippines on it? How's their memory?
A little bit of skin prep. You don't have to use this, but it's helpful.
Yeah, I was wondering how many products will be necessary for this procedure.
You can do it with just. That's pretty ticklish.
Yeah.
Up.
It should be something you outgrow once you're an adult.
Sides a little bit.
Yeah.
Maybe put that for this to remind me that you need to order a whole bunch out.
Whole bunch.
Yeah. Not drinking alcohol.
Party.
You don't
PT party. Knock yourself out. That's what I'll be looking for when I'm looking at house this week.
Alright. Athletic tape. Okay, we're going to pre-position this. I want you to pull your big toe up.
Okay.
Like that. Come on.
Doesn't go that far really.
So let it relax. Now pull the big toe up. Without bringing the whole foot up, try to do just, there you go, just like that. Good.
Muscular control of my big toe independent of the rest of my body.
So we want to get a little bit of that arch. Maybe scoot forward just a little bit. Okay, here we go. From fifth knuckle right here. You don't have to pull a lot of tension in this one yet.
I was impressed with how much tape I saw during my race. You were right that half the people there would be all taped up.
With
It was kind of funny.
the neon tape. Okay, so we want to drop the foot again. Pull the big toe up.
So I thought Brooke was going to wear his
I couldn't.
tank top.
My halter top.
The halter top
And the short shorts.
Yeah.
Well, he threw the short shorts out.
Daisy Dukes. The Daisy Dukes theme.
Down. So we want to point the foot down. Right there. And then the big toe up. Yes. Okay. And we're going to go from the ball of the foot around the heel. Try not to have any wrinkles. Pull back that corner. Right back to the ball. A little bit of tension. Pow. Get some wrinkles. That's right. Go over underneath the second, third metatarsal heads. Back up there. This one's not very pretty. Point your foot down a little bit. Toes up.
So from the ball of that, then from the second and third, and then from the last.
Right. We're gonna go across. So foot down. Slightly overlap these a little bit.
Just to kind of keep it all.
Actually, overlap them by about halfway. Pulling tension this way too. More at the heel. And one more keeper strip all the way around the edge.
It's a lot of tape.
Yeah. It's a modified low dye tape job.
Push.
You can let that relax. Put one little piece. Uh-oh. We got your foot in the screen on that.
Yeah, I could have probably watched that.
A little bit like vinaigrette over the front.
this like drugstore type tape or special tape?
This is athletic tape, and you can get it at drugstores. I think we sell it too. I don't remember how much. A little paraffin wax. You don't have to do the paraffin wax, it just makes it, seals it on there a little bit, and helps it last a little longer.
With my swim routine and my beachy lifestyle, I tend to go through the tape pretty fast.
How's that?
So, when it comes time to take this off, the way to do it is to just lift this up,
Yep.
cut that, and then the whole thing should come off.
Okay.
You can peel the whole thing off as well, do the piece. Modified Lodi tape job.